In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed up videos here in Canva. Now, this is going to work with any videos that you upload yourself and or just like this one, a video here in Canva. Now, it's really simple to actually speed this up. Once you have the video that you want to use, you simply click onto that video, come up to the toolbar just here where we see this little playback feature. If we click on there, we can actually slow down the video or we can speed up the video as well. By default, it's going to be on 1 just here, but we can also add the number in here as well. If we put video speed times 2 and click enter, that's going to be full on the bar. And if we look at this video, it's now sped up. So that's just how simple it is to speed up video here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.